5 seconds to go. Start. My dear countrymen, today is also the birth anniversary of the great thinker of the country, Shri Aurobindo. His 150th birth anniversary will be celebrated in 2022. Shri Aurobindo was a visionary of India's bright future. He used to say that we have to be as powerful as we were never before. We have to change our habits. We have to reawaken ourselves. These words of Shri Aurobindo remind us of our duties. We also have to think about what we are giving to the country as a citizen and as a society. We have always given importance to rights. They were needed during that period, but now we have to make duties paramount. Everybody will have to contribute in fulfilling the resolutions of the country. Every citizen will have to own this up. Our country has initiated a campaign of water conservation, so it is our duty to include saving water in our habits. If the country is emphasizing on digital transactions, then it is also our duty to do minimum cash transactions. The country has started the campaign of local for vocal, so it is our duty to buy as many local products as possible to strengthen our vision of a plastic free India of the country. It is our duty to completely stop the use of single use plastic. It is our duty not to throw dirt in our rivers, keep our seashores clean. We also have to take the Swachh Bharat mission to another new level. Today, when the country is celebrating the Amrit Mahotsav on the occasion of 75 years of independence, it is the duty of all of us to join this event, participate in it enthusiastically, and keep kindling our resolutions again and again, keeping freedom struggle in mind. Whatever little you do, whatever will be pure like a drop of water, and this Amrit Kumbh made by the pure efforts of many Indians will inspire the entire nation for years to come. My dear countrymen, I am not a fortune teller. I believe in action. I have faith in the youth of my country. I trust the sisters of the country, the daughters of the country, the farmers of the country, and the professionals of the country. This can do generation can achieve every goal imaginable. I believe that in 2047, on the occasion of celebrating 100 years of independence, whoever will be the Prime Minister, whoever will be the Prime Minister after 25 years from today, when he will be unfurling the flag, I say this with confidence today that he or she shall be chronicling those accomplishments in his speech about which the country has taken a vow today. This is my firm belief of victory. Today, whatever I am speaking of in the form of a resolution, whoever hoists the flag after 25 years shall be speaking of the same in the form of accomplishments. The country would be singing its glory in the form of these accomplishments. Youth of the country of today shall also see at that time how the country has achieved this glory. In the 21st century, no obstacle can stop us from fulfilling the dreams and aspirations of India. Our strength is our vitality. Our strength is our solidarity. Our vitality is the spirit of nation first, always first. This is the time for shared dreams. This is the time for shared resolve. This is the time for shared efforts, and this is the time to move towards victory. Stop.